At 10:29 and 32 seconds, the throttles are opened.
Here we go.
C'est 100% partout. C'est bon.
That was effortless.
Excellent demonstration altogether. And it was really like a diamond in the sky, stable and moving away. Really nice, really nice.
13. 179. C'est bon. Parfaitement équilibré.
The next few hours will be spent gently probing the aircraft's abilities. And 15 minutes in, it's time to retract the landing gear.
Allez. Alors là, c'est là que les... Allez, vas-y. 3, 2, 1, top.
Alors, les portes s'ouvrent du body. Tout est nominal. Je vois les bodies rentrer, les wings rentrer. Les bodies sont ouvertes encore, les portes. Top, les bodies se ferment. Le train est rentré.
The flight is a remarkable demonstration of modern aviation technology.
C'était un vrai plaisir, hein. Ouais, vraiment comme au cinéma.
After years of effort, the men and women of Airbus can at last say that they have built the largest airliner the world has ever seen.
The future of air travel is explored further on our Building the Best website at channel4.com/science. What Big Brother is next on 4 is Max falling in love with Saskia. That's what Derek suspects. The diary room heart to heart coming up.